Hey, have you ever felt nervous when checking into a hotel in English? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're going to practice some simple phrases to help you feel more confident. So, when you arrive at the hotel, what do you say to the receptionist? You can say, "Hi, I have a reservation." Or, if you don't have a reservation, you can ask, "Do you have any rooms available?" The receptionist will then ask for your name and confirmation number. You can say, "My name is Sam, and my confirmation number is." Next, they'll ask for your ID and credit card. Just hand them over and say, "Here you go." Now, the receptionist will give you your room key and explain the hotel's amenities. You can ask, "What time is checkout?" Or "Where is the gym?" And if you need help with your luggage, just say, "Can I get some help with my bags, please?" Remember, the key to speaking confidently is to practice every day. Try to speak a little English each day, even if it's just for a few minutes. So, let's review some of the key phrases we learned today. We have, "I have a reservation." "Do you have any rooms available?" And "Can I get some help with my bags, please?" Now, go ahead and practice these phrases. You can repeat after me, and don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and you'll get better and better.